I would recommend students to join Sheridan course for future because I think it's a great experience a student could gain because it gives you a perspective of how your vision on the future, it tells you I will do this, and it motivates you to accomplish it, and it's a goal that you're gonna actually do and stuff like that. And yeah, I think it actually explains the SMART goals. We always hear about them, and I think in this group it gave you more details of what a SMART goal really is. And I think accountability is something that we all hear, and I think here it actually gave you more about it, and gave you more details and such.
I would recommend this course because I feel like if you are procrastinating and you want to reach a goal, this will help you take you step by step on how to do it.
Oh yes, definitely. This is a very unique experience. I feel like I learned a lot in one day, especially a lot. And I only been here for one day. There's usually a 2-day session, and I learned a lot. You can take a lot out of this. This is really benefit you in a long run. For a person who want to make certainty about their decision in college and career, I think this is very useful, and I hope everyone make the best out of this experience because this is not something you come across a lot. So please do make the best out of this and definitely join.
Yeah, for me personally, I would take this again if I had a choice because it was amazing. You meet really amazing people who really just showing up helps you for your future. And I thought that was the best part because we got to meet so many amazing people with amazing stories, and that already helped and inspired me. And I know this really helped with my future, so pretty excited. You should be too.
I would recommend it because it's a really good program. It's not much of a time commitment. It's just 2 days out the summer, and it's a really good source of information on how to prepare yourself for the world, getting good communication skills, learning how to approach others and approach their styles. You learn a lot of really good information here that you can use in school, work, and just through a lot of life situations.
Yes, actually, I do highly recommend it because when I came in, I thought information was going to just be thrown at me the whole day. But what really helped was that we got to sit down and really get to know the people that we were going to be spending our day with. So that really helped me throughout the day communicate with them well and better. And I also learned how to understand my communication skill and my communication, the way I want to speak, the way I speak to people. I'm actually an influencer, which you will learn about. And I just highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. You leave with the best energy, and you leave thinking that you could do anything. So that's why I think that you should come to class.